Then on the 9th lane, Yuri Arnandose from Netherlands, and they have already started. For now, Linus Bange together with Lee Dong holding their ground in the best possible manner, but right now Martin Nathel from Sweden and from the middle of the track is gaining on them. These are K1, very light boats, capable of achieving tremendous speeds when it comes to the whole canoe sport, canoe sprint at least. And now a duel between Linus Bange from Germany and Martin Nathel from Sweden. Just after them, Yi Dong from China. But Yi Dong is not safe. Alexander Zaitsev from Ukraine and the third lane is smelling blood in the water. And by blood I mean the third position that qualifies you to Final A. And unfortunately for the China, Yi Dong didn't manage to keep that third place he achieved after the start.